Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are opening some more of these LEGO Create the World cards. I know these are like, they became free ages ago and people stopped being able to get them because obviously they sold out. But I still have a whole bunch of them, so yeah. Also, tell me if you'd like to see updates on this. Because I will do that. I might even do a little update at the end of this video, just so you guys can see. Right. Okay. So, I'm sorry you can see this little bit of a tub here. It's just the best I can really do. Okay, starting off with the T-Rex. I already have him. Let's flip this around. I have the mummy, the fisherman, and the decorator. I have all of them, so let's put them to the side. And let's start with another pack. Okay, so now we have our second pack. So we have the bear, which I already have. We have the alien villainess, which I already have. Lily, already have. And the hula dancer, already have. I have most of these cards, so I'm not going to list them. I'm only going to say if I got a new one from now on. Okay, so here we go. Got the monkey. Got the unicorn girl. Got the piggy guy. And wolf guy. So there's some pretty cool cards. I like the wolf guy. I know he came out in the monsters pack from a while back actually now. Like the actual LEGO figures, building packs, blind bags. So, starting off, a plain old one. Don't like this one. It's the tree. And we got banana guy, weightlifter, and paintball player. Next one. Okay, this is a common one. This is a very common one. We have the Asian house. We have the trendsetter. We have the alien trooper. And the skater girl. So, once again, all some pretty cool cards. Oh no, not this one again. I get so many koalas. Okay, so we've got a small clown. We've got a wacky witch. And a snake charmer. So, we have a robot, a hippie, a diner waitress, and a frightening knight. Cool. This one's one of my favourite cards. I really like the knight. So, as I said at the beginning, we've got 26 packs to go for, each one containing 4. There's not a lot in each pack, but it's enough for how you got them. Okay, so we have the Statue of Liberty. Very common one. We have Skater Girl. We have Banana Guy. And weightlifter. Let's just get the camera straight. There we go. Okay, starting off with Dinosaur. Then we have Paintball Player, Unicorn Girl, Piggy Guy, and yeah. Let's just get a bunch of packs open. In fact, I'll just like take a bunch and then, yeah. So we have the koala once again. This guy comes back so many times. If you collected these, you'll know what I mean. It's a shame there was no book for this. That would have been good. We have the holiday elf. We have the crazy scientist. And we have the clumsy guy. Okay. Okay, so now we have the robot. The welder, I actually have him in real life. It's a pretty cool figure. I wanted this guy, Shark Guy. And Plant Monster. All pretty nice figures. Okay, so now we have the chameleon. We have the flamenco dancer. You have the pizza delivery man and skeleton guy. I've noticed there's a lot of people in costumes in these, rather than just like normal people, which I like. Right, so we have the Asian house, the alien trooper, the skater girl, and banana guy. Oh no, can you guys see it? Yeah, that's it, it's a koala. So, yep, we got the koala again. And we got the wacky witch, the snake charmer, and the trendsetter. Okay, I'm going to do one more pack. I'm not actually going to do the full 26 because there is a lot more to go. I think I've probably done about half of them anyway. So, here we go, we've got the robot. We've got the Dino Waitress, you've got the Frightened Knight, and we've got the Small Clown. So there we go, that was a pretty long pack opening video, so I hope you guys did enjoy. I certainly did. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I'm probably going to record it tomorrow or a little bit later. So they should either be up the same, these videos should be either up the same day or a day apart. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.